Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, or if you're new, you're all welcome. So this is a quick incoming swap project share. This is from my swap partner Abril. Earlier today I put up a video and hopefully she got hers. I got this yesterday, but I just slid it open before coming up here to share it with you. And look how adorable. The swap was for Slimline cards and a card, and they could either be fall or winter, and we both said it was okay, either one would be okay. But I think from the looks of it, we are both in fall mind still. So we have this little fox here, fall frolic, and some leaves and nuts about fall, crunch crunch crunch. And even her address label has a sunflower and the back. I didn't even think about washi. I don't even know. I'm sure I have fall washi. I forget about it. So I'm sorry, Abril. I didn't decorate the envelope. I was going to stamp on it and then I just never did. So anyway, and it says fall fun. So I slid it open with scissors downstairs. And silly me, I always forget. I should just cut the end off here. It would be easier. So let's see what Abril sent me. Ooh, sparkles. I love the paper combination you used here, and this ribbon, bright orange, it's textured. I don't know what you call that ribbon. I forget. I'm not bad with names. And this is all embossed. That's gorgeous. Did you do that embossing? Because that is really good. I have trouble with gold embossing. Or did you draw that on with a paint pen? Let me know, Abril. That's really cool. I think she hand wrote that because, guys, look how neat her printing is. Oh my gosh, mine is such a sloppy mess. That is really cool how you did that. I love that. Yeah, I don't know. Is it a paint pen, like a Sharpie pen, or embossing, or like glue and you sprinkle stuff on it? How did you do that? Oh, and then she's got it all glittered up. I don't know if that's put on there intentionally or coming off these leaves, but I love how you did the leaf arrangement too. So yes, really pretty. Oh, she did the same thing as me. A little extra paper to put the note, I think. Yep. Oh, thank you, Abril. Hugs back to you too. She left the card blank so I could write in it. And these two papers are backed on like a craft paper, and then she's got that. It's like a dark craft. It almost matches like Stampin' Up! Cinnamon cider color. Actually, a little darker, I think. Yes, I love your card, Abril. Thank you so much. I also left yours blank, so you could use it as well if you so chose. Although the postage is, you know, a little ridiculous for what I put on. But anyway, you can maybe take that thing off if you want to put something else there. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep it up here with me to look at. My leaves, speaking of this, I went outside earlier today. Forget why. Oh, to put bills I paid in the mailbox for the mail person to take. Anyway, the leaves were falling, and they're still, well, the ones that were falling actually were yellow-ish, but many of the leaves are falling, and our trees haven't even fully changed color yet. I think it's going to be one of those, you know, a little bit of fall, and then boom, it's going to be winter again already. Not looking forward to winter. Love fall, not winter so much. I like to look at the snow. I don't like to shovel it. So anyway, I'm kind of glad you did fall, Abril. Thank you. Instead of winter. So, all right, guys, that's enough. I'm going to link Abril's channel down below. She really makes beautiful things. She actually had sent me as a winnings and I still have it up here on my shelf somewhere. I can't find it right now. A beautiful flip book that she made, and it's like black with red roses and stuff on it. Really pretty. So she's very talented, and this swap was hosted by none other than Left-Handed Crafter, who is Brandy. Hi, Brandy. It was through her Facebook group, though, but we're all on YouTube, so I thought I'd share on YouTube as well. I should put a picture also out on Facebook.